guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a Bath & Body Works unboxing haul. So if you're interested in hauls and you'd like to see what I picked up, then please keep watching. Okay, so we just got this delivered today, and for safety reasons I'm going to open this farther away from the toddler. She's very excited to help open this up. And what did we get? Got the packing slip. It looks like some of them leaked a little bit. So basically we just got a bunch of hand soaps. Basically Bath & Body Works was having a sale. I believe they were 6 for $26. Okay, so which ones do we get? We got this one, Black Cherry Merlot. You can kind of smell this one because I think this one leaked a little bit. Black Cherry Merlot, that one smells really good. It's basically, it reminds me, I don't know, it sort of reminds me of childhood for some reason. I'm not sure why. But it's just very sweet. It sort of reminds me of like one of those Dum Dum lollipops. What's this one? This is another Black Cherry Merlot. This one also opened up. And smell. Basically, it smells like dark cherry, black raspberry, and Merlot. So, just a few of the favorite things. Here's another one. What's this one? Kitchen Lemon. So these are all basically gentle foaming hand soap. And I just figured, just given what's going on right now, you just don't know when we might run out of soap. So, this one is Kitchen Lemon. And you might be wondering why I'm smelling it at the neck and not actually just opening them up. And that's because I could tell that some of them leaked a little bit, so I can smell them. What's this one? This one is Boardwalk Vanilla Cone. And this one says it smells like marshmallow fluff, vanilla bean, and creamy caramel. This one I think we're actually gonna have to open. What does it smell like? Does it smell pretty? Ooh, that smells pretty. It basically just smells like sugar. What's this one? Island Papaya. It smells like tropical coconut, fresh papaya, and sugar cane. It smells like it might be a little bit headachy, possibly. So what's this one? This one is You Are Loved Champagne Toast. And this one smells like bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. And we do have a couple of candles that match these scents, so. What do you think? Good. Good. Alright, what's this one? No. This one is, ooh, this one is Amazing Mom. It's watermelon lemonade, which is, it just smells so good. It smells like watermelon ice, sparkling water, and Meyer lemon. You want to smell this one? I don't know if I want to now. What do you think? Does it smell like watermelon? Hold on. Alright, what's the next one? What's this one? Blueberry Crumble. This one smells like, well, we know it smells like fresh blueberries, brown sugar glaze, and a dash of cinnamon. You gonna help me open it? Twist, twist, twist. Okay. No. Ooh, that one smells good. Smell. What do you think? Good? Okay. Okay, what's this one?
No, wet.
Wet?
No, blue.
Blue, oh, it's red. Okay, it's kind of orangish red. This one's called Mango Mai Tai, and it smells like mango nectar, sun-kissed grapefruit, and sugar cane. one smell?
Good.
Good. All smell good, which is good. Oh, this one definitely exploded, right? It's all over the place. Cotton Candy Skies. This one smells like sun, sweetened orange, strawberry sugar, and vanilla bean. Alright, can you help me? Thank you. I know, and it's all over the place. You smell? Okay. Alright. All by yourself. Oh, got it. Alright, that one needs to be washed off later. And oh, this one too. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is the one that exploded. This is another Black Cherry Merlot. I'm kind of sad. I am sad. It's like there's about half of it here. And it's just, it exploded. We smelled that one already. And this one is, you can see she's wiping her shirt because when she picks it up, there's just, it's all over the place. And this one is, it's not exploded, but it's absorbed the explosion of the other soap. So this one is called Orange Ginger. And it's very slimy because it just has soap all over it. This one smells like orange. And it's everywhere. That's an aromatherapy one with natural essential oils. So yes, you can see that it kind of leaked through the box. So we're going to have to do some damage control a little bit later and just basically just wash everything off. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and click that like button down below. I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.